Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the IVES number SR66 Brown. You're going to get 100 when you order one. It generally comes in two pads like this. $50 on a pad. There is no other way to purchase them in terms of multiples, so you have to buy 100 is what the bottom line is. And this is in the brown finish. The SR66 is going to be available in different colors, and let's take a look at that now. For sure gray, very typical and common to get them in gray. Obviously brown, that we're looking at now. And white as well. So SR66 gray, GRY, or BRN, or WHT for white. Let's take some dimensional properties of this material. They've got it as 1/2 inch diameter and then 1/8 inch thickness, and it's self-adhesive. Loosen one from the backing. We'll take some dimensions of it. Thickness 0.137 thick. Outside diameter 0.505 outside diameter. You can see there's a bit of a profile detail to the edge of it. A bevel, you might say. And this is going to be used in applications where you simply need to deaden the sound of doors closing, whether it be cabinet doors or it might be used, not necessarily brown, but other colors may be used to great effect to be able to pad the bottom of something that you're placing onto a piece of finished furniture. They're rubber, so they're going to be relatively non-slip, but these are also used to great effect in living in a condo building in the past where the building was built in the early 1970s, and all these doors are fire rated. They all have hydraulic door closers on them because back then that would have been the way that it would have been built. None of those door closers are handicap compliant because the building was built 20 years before the advent of ADA requirements. So all of those doors, wham, they close with non-handicap compliant forces of pressure, 8 pounds, 10 pounds, 12 pounds of force. So you can really hear those doors slam when you're living in this condo building. And I have, to great effect, been able to pass these out to my neighbors and say, let's all just put 1 or 2 of them on our frames, because the frames were steel and the rubber mutes that are inserted would fatigue and fail over time. And these are simple and easy to install and limited really by imagination. Installing them onto a cabinet sort of door may work for you. However, they are 1/8 inch thick, so that might be a little thick for a kitchen cabinet application, but you can use these to great effect to mitigate a lot of closing or slamming door sounds, and then which of course contributes to over time the premature degradation of the installation, the integrity of the wall, the jamb, the door, the frame, things of that nature. Finally, tantamount, there's a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure where you can review all of the door silencers from IVES. There are only 3 different types: the metal frame SR64, the wood frame SR65, and then the self-adhesive SR66. And then finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the IVES products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the IVES SR66 self-adhesive bumper in brown or any other IVES product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.